Janyutech Private Limited is engaged in designing, developing, and manufacturing of human-enabling, collaborative, portable, mobile field robots for hostile and constrained work environments. We believe that technology, when customized and made affordable, with a concern for fellow beings, will result in sustainable growth. The Orient robot picks material bundles from the input roller conveyor and scan them. If the scan bundles are correct, then the Orient robot keeps them on the roller conveyor at the pick robot side. The pick robot picks scan bundles and place them in the carton box. If the scan bundles are not correct, then the Orient robot keeps them on the rejection conveyor. The carton sheet feed into the box feeder. The box feeder convert the cartoon sheet into box. The carton box gets exchanged when previous carton box is filled. Now, the filled carton box is moving toward the weighing section, and after weight checking, the auto-taping machine taped the carton box. After taping the carton box, the palletizing robot placed the carton boxes on the pallets.